Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will explain two technical indicators in the Sentiment Trader Backtest Engine version 2.0, the number of consecutive days up and number of consecutive days down, and demonstrate how to use them to create backtesting. Number of consecutive days up indicator measures the number of days that a specific symbol closes higher than the previous value in a period of time. For example, if a symbol closed higher than the previous value for 5 consecutive trading days, then its number of consecutive days up indicator is 5. This indicator can be used to judge the strength and persistence of an upward trend of a symbol close. Number of consecutive days down indicator measures the number of days that a specific symbol closes lower than the previous value in a period of time. For example, if a symbol closed lower than the previous value for 5 consecutive trading days, then its number of consecutive days down indicator is 5. This indicator can be used to judge the strength and persistence of a downward trend of symbol price. We can use this information to formulate our trading strategy, and we can use the new version of Sentiment Trader Backtesting Engine version 2.0 to simulate the trading performance based on historical data. Now, we move on to setting up the backtest. Let's get started by selecting SPX as our symbol. Then, to make the test more realistic for real-time trading, change the trade price to next open and change the backtest period to 20-year. This means we will long SPX at the opening price of the next day over the past 20 years when the entry conditions are met. After that, you have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default one provided. Under Entry Criteria, click on the Type drop-down menu and select Technical Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for and select Number of Consecutive Days Down, and then choose 5. Under Exit Criteria, select Technical Indicator and choose Number of Consecutive Days Up as the indicator and 5. This means that we will buy when the market falls for more than 5 consecutive days. We will sell when the market rises for more than 5 consecutive days. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can also visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts. You have learned how to use the backtest engine to recreate the backtest of number of consecutive days up and number of consecutive days down. This is a powerful tool that can help you improve your trading skills. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see what you can discover. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.